The DRF is a very important idea in GD&T. To make and check a part according to a drawing, we need to use the three-plane concept. We have to create three planes that are perfectly perpendicular to each other, exactly 90-degree angles, to take measurements from. The concept of establishing the x, y, and z coordinates is often used to explain the DRF. The DRF is created using equipment called datum simulators such as a surface plate, call it 3-jaw chuck or gauge pin. These simulators serve as the reference points for dimensional relationships. They make contact with the imperfect features of the part called datum features, and since the simulators are nearly perfect, they provide accurate measurements. The simulators also stabilize the part so that both the manufacturer and the customer get the same results when inspecting the part. If the part is contacted in the same way during initial manufacturing setup as during inspection, there is no need for additional measurements to ensure machining accuracy. As long as the processing equipment meets the specified tolerances, the final result will be positive.